For all those who strive to loosen the shackles of academic rigor, the sleep-deprived, the undernourished, the late-night pizza connoisseur, the elderly, not obsolete, the barefoot youth still pink of cheek, for those who battle with a war of words, your policy disarmament still unheard, for all who dream, this is for you. Press on. For those who wear caps and those who toil without them, those who hold down 2 jobs, your sobs reflected in Kindle's glow. You sit on beds, sing hymns, and listen to snowflakes fall while teardrops glisten. Your bravery goes yet unsung. Well, this song is for you. Press on. For all who think you are no heroes, but zeros. You harness your bravery to give it your best. Your life at work is a war zone, or at home. You invest more in people than in your IRAs. You aim for artistry in life, not strife. This is for you. Press on. Press on as you sort it out. Press on as you grieve the voices. Press on with a lump in your throat. Press on as the world rejoices. But listen to what is missing and press on. For those balding, worn and weak, marching on with orders all pell-mell, there is one whose assistance you might seek. Ring God's bell. And when the world begs a witness, speak to all you know in this. Don't just whistle Vivaldi. And for those whose blood pumps more than 5 liters a minute, go ahead and begin it. Dream your teams and dare to care. If life's poem seems to you cacophony, wait, you will hear the symphony. For now, hitch your star to starting over and press on. And finally, I'll dream my dream out loud. When you press on, you make me proud that my life's poem meant more to you than a riddle. Does this guru need tell you go winging? Your voice may be small, but keep singing. Press on, press on. Oh, for the love of a holy God and for our children, press on. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may the peace that passes all understanding keep your hearts and mind in the one God who sent me. You have been a kind and generous audience, and I humbly thank you.